I have to make it official, Kent. You have been evicted from the Big Brother house.
Nee, Rimrom. Wiemer. Wie bata solo? Clark, Mahan.
Aha, contro il sea. Ikvunuja.
Kent, since tonight is a triple eviction night, I do not have time to interview you. But we do have time to show you your best bits. Here they are. Now let's go to the backyard and explain how the last eviction will work to the house guests. House guests, tonight's competition is called, What Will You Do? You will be answering a series of questions about if you are willing to stay in the competition even if you have to do stuff such as eat instant meals only. After each question you will answer with either red, meaning you will not stay in the competition, or blue, meaning you will stay in despite the punishment. Please don't answer until I say answers, please. Does everyone understand the rules? Great. Question 1. Are you willing to be on an instant meal diet for the remaining 30 days here? If you are, press blue. If you aren't, press red. Answers, please. Sorry, Kat and Allison, you are eliminated. Question 2. Are you willing to give up a free car to stay in this competition? If you are, press blue. If you aren't, press red. Answers, please. Sorry, Donald, you are eliminated, but you can go check out your new car in the HOH room. Question 3. Are you willing to give up a letter from home to stay in the competition? If you are, press blue. If you aren't, press red. Answers, please. Congratulations, April. You now have the sole power to evict anyone except Cassidy, because she is HOH.